So I have the iPhone here.
Oh wow. How did this happen?
So if you haven't seen the previous video, we destroyed an iPhone 14 Pro. We dropped it from 1,000 feet. As you can imagine, the phone took a hard hit and the phone got destroyed. I mean, I'm not gonna spoil it for you. I'm gonna include a link if you wanna go check out the video. But this video is gonna be about AppleCare and the repair process. Fortunately, we had AppleCare. So we're gonna go to the Apple Store and we're gonna record and we're gonna see the whole process. So I'm gonna take you through the whole process. How long does it take to get a new iPhone? Can they repair it? And most importantly, I wanna record their reactions when they see a totally smashed phones. And if it works, I'll give my honest review. So let's go. So I have the iPhone here.
Oh wow. How did this happen? If I may ask.
I dropped it.
From how high did you drop it?
I trashed it. I didn't see the backside.
I dropped it.
That proper hard. Damn.
Oh, it's so sad. It's having a hard time.
You dropped it good, man. Okay.
Some parts still work and I was amazed how strong it is.
Yeah, I mean the side is strong, but the backside glass not. But good that you have AppleCare. Then if it's just a screen, it could potentially be 99 euros, but you get the whole new iPhone.
How long does it take to get a new iPhone?
If we have it in stock, 20 minutes.
Oh. We're in the Apple Store. We're just capturing reactions of the employees to see how they react to see this, because this is one of the strongest hits that an iPhone has ever taken. So if you have an AppleCare, this is when it comes handy. You just, they're really helpful. They just get you a new phone. And yeah, let's see how much time it takes before we get a new iPhone.
I just made a note for my coworker of what the issue was, so they're going to check in with you a minute to reveal the options.
Okay,
Yeah?
thank you.
Thank you for waiting.
20 minutes later.
So I was amazed by how well the AppleCare works. So I was able to get a new iPhone within 20 minutes. I only had to pay $99. Another option would have been to not have the AppleCare and just pay the repair directly to Apple, and that would have taken around $600 just to get a new iPhone repaired. So in this case, it was super smooth. Credits to Apple for that. By the way, we have a case. This is the nuclear pasta case. This is the case we use. This is our own brand of cases. So if you wanna check them out, I'm gonna include a link down below. I hope this video helped you get an overview on how the AppleCare works. Thank you so much for watching the video. My name is Christian, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Working. It's incredible. It's still recording. I will upload this video on my Instagram, so if you want to follow it.
Eye protection, guys.